Cashing checks, chasing bags, yeah, I'm busy. On the run from your love, I know you'll miss me. Yeah, I know you'll miss me. Cashing checks, chasing bags, yeah, I'm busy. On the run from your...
Fuck that.
They're killing the game.
Yeah, Mick.
I don't like guns. Why do you guys like guns so much?
I prefer a knife, you know. I like to look at people in the eye.
Man, we live in a shitty establishment. Damn! Man, you got old switchblade.
I mean, at the same time, I do always pack at least 3 guns at a time. You know, I got...
Why?
Because, you know, you never know when you want to use something different, you know. Each gun's got to have the same amount of love and care as the next, you know.
Why guns? Like, I don't get guns.
Oh, I got something you would like, Earth. Yeah. It's pink.
Where do you get them switchblades, though? You want to spread the love on that?
That is cute. I don't like little pistols.
What do you mean, little pistol?
That's a little
What color flag is that? Hold up. That looks like a blue flag, I think. Yes.
That don't even look like a 40.
Hey, is there another motherfucker black flag in it?
I fucking hate guns. I do. I just don't like them.
Why'd you say it like that?
Because I do. I hate them.
That's kind of funny.
Yeah, but what's that?
Joey.
Oh, alright, alright.
Yeah. But no, I'm gonna tell college for sure.
Now those rims I like a lot.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm ready. Once the PD showed up.
I mean,
Here he come. Here he come. He right there.
PD?
Yep, they right here watching us.
Where?
They right across the street. You see them? They backing up now. Why you do that? Look at here, he come again. Oh Lord, I ain't trying to get shot. I don't know, I'm running from the gunfire. Why is he, what is he doing?
Straight in there, you just stay in one place and get shot. Run for bullets, go take care of your crime. They shoot and go do what you gotta do. What's your name? No, it's over.
He over here trying to run after me.
It's over for him.
Yeah, you seen him? He seen me running, so he tried to chase and run after me. They don't even know what they shooting at.
He's not, nope, it's over for him. I said, I'm a lawyer. He's all, so what? You running from a shooting? Nigga, they shooting bullets. What you want me to do? Just stay in one spot?
Oh, what the fuck? You see, he let you go.
I said, go attend to what the fuck you gotta do. There's shooting over there. Go attend to the fucking shooting.
I'm really cracking up. I just turned around and see you tackled on the ground.
I fucking, the car hit me.
Yeah,
I'm
because I swear to God, they seen me running, and they started driving up this way trying to catch me.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Earthcon, I was at the motel.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was like, I'm not standing right there. I'm running. I'm running from these gunshots. Oh, I think they arrested one of them.
I'm suing.
I'm on IG Live too.
I'm suing that cop right over there. That one hit me. I want to know who dropped that car.
Go up to the car.
Look at this over here with the bike. Look at Look at Yo, all fair, they lucky I'm not on my other character. Those cars are mine. I would have, not mine. I would have stabbed through those shits over there.
You said, go handle what you gotta do.
Yeah, he over here. Oh, why I got something for him? Oh my, you running from a shooting. My man, you just said it yourself.
So was 1,000 other people.
I didn't stop nobody else but me. Cause I got dressed, cause I'm black.
Do I have a weapon? Am I a threat?
I got a whole briefcase in my hand running. Like, I'm running from the shots.
Yo, I'm fucking dead.
No, because I seen you running, right?
I know, I
heard
heard you call me. I heard you say, Earth, come here. I said, no, I'm running from these fucking bullets. Are they not about to come over
then
here
when
and
I
shoot me
came
up?
out there trying to chase you, I seen those bullets. I said, I gotta go.
Exactly.
I said, fuck Earth.
What happened to McLovin?
I had him over here with me.
Damn.
Call him and see you alright.
Look at him. Tell me you want to make a report on the officer. They're like, we busy. They're over there picking shells up. Oh my God, who's that? Who that? That's the one who ran you over?
Yeah.
Yeah, get his plates.
You ran me over.
Not in my eyes.
Not in your eyes. If I can help you, bro.
Did they forget
you know how
him
they would
here?
look at me helping you? They're gonna think hey, see, I got carry. Help me. And we could let the other officer know where he at. I can't help him. I'm sorry.
I tried.
Oh, the officer over there. Hey, he over here. Hey. Drop me. Drop me. He across the wall.
Help! Help!
I'm good. You got the wrong person. You got rich. Drop me.
I have both of y'all.
No, you don't. Oh, yes,
I just dropped him.
Drop me. drop me.
I'm trying. Where did he go? Wow.
Yeah. He went over there to fight crime.
I'm hurt. Help! Take me to the hospital.
I carried him over.
Where the fuck he just went? Oh!
Oh no,
he died.
He flatlined.
Y'all playing with a dead police. I hope they pull up pendant on y'all then since y'all playing with
Bruh, I carried you to your partner and he dipped on you.
Yeah, he did dip on you, bro. I can't get it. No, I don't got my cars out here. It's the only thing that's out here is cop cars. We can't take those.
Take it.
No. For what? For you can pin that on those too?
Where your friend go?
Oh.
Help!
Oh, that's that crooked cow. Nope. That's pocket pincher right there.
Pocket pincher, what are you talking about?
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I know the deception they gave me.
I
This is
seize
pocket
money. I
pinching.
do not take my people's money. That shit
You
goes into the evidence locker.
You seize money. You seize money from
Did
people
you
who
call?
don't
I'm gonna
have
call
drugs
the
on them.
ambulance.
They are shooting in crime and have
That-
more than $10,000 on them. If they bring
That's
proof,
not a crime.
they can get their money back.
That's not a crime.
Over
It
$10,000
is if they got crazy ass guns and they fucking shooting crazy.
Yes,
not a crime.
it is
That's
federal
not,
crime.
That's, but they have.
Bro, listen, over $10,000 of federal crime unless you have proof for it.
They do got proof.
Well, they can get their money back.
But did you even ask that they have proof before you took it?
Yes, I told them when they get it. I got this shit in my body
No.
cam was on,
I
sir.
said that you
They
asked
won't
them.
let
body
me
cam
call
was
EMS.
Well, don't worry. And tasing people going inside people thing without warrants?
Tasing people going inside what? What you talking about?
Going inside business people in the establishment
Don't
without
say nothing.
warrants?
Save it for court, officer.
Oh, we're gonna save it for court. I'm just making him prepare to hang himself.
Oh, I can't wait because you gonna lose.
You think so? I'm Rich the
My
case.
phone not
the
working.
case.
Richard,
That beat
can you
every
call
case.
the EMS?
Nope. It's not my duty. They ran me over. Him. It's on his body cam.
Trying to be thirsty. Where did his friend go?
He probably FA'd out and went back to PD. I ain't helping him. Fuck that nigga. That's pocket pinch. Talking about he sees.
He's just doing his job.
People walk around every day with more than 10,000 in their pocket nowadays. Niggas will be rappers and whatever.
You can't do it with guns and drugs on you, though.
They didn't have drugs.
Bruh. There he go. Come on, we out.
I think it's about time for he done too. He over here 9, 10 to
Don't even
25.
think about it, you slut.
Nobody else is here?
Oh, nah, somebody, I think he just, he was here dead for a minute. We was right here, and he just, I think he had faded back to PD probably. Like, he had faded out probably.
What happened?
He was down right here dead.
We're gonna go to pillbox.
He said that's pocket pincher. Yo, that's so funny. You said that's pocket pincher. He